Hello guys, welcome back again. Into this tutorial I'm going to show to you how to create a circle motion. So when you have an advertisement, so there will be look like there's a three object on it, and the object will be create a rotation and like that. So the way to do that, let's go to the tutorial. Open your Canva and then create a new project. You need to create a video project on Canva application like this. And now the next part, you just need to click the elements button and search a frame of Polaroid frame, this one, or maybe you can use any frame that you want to use, but for me I would like to click this Polaroid frame, this one. I'm going to use this frame and adding it onto the page like this, positioning it. Okay, duplicate it. I think I will create a three frame on this page. I will adding it onto this side and this side. Duplicate it one more time, minimize, and put it on this side. Now the next step, you just need to add an image of your product or maybe anything that you want to add onto the page and create this motion. So for me, I would like to just use this image from Canva. I'm using this image of fruits and kiwi, and the third one is mango, this one. Now the next step, I think first I'm going to change the color from the background. I'm going to use this gradient color like this, and now positioning it one more time. Okay, and then minimize the page and duplicate the first page and go to the second page, this one. The next step, you just need to adjust the size from each frame. Make sure it has a same size like this, adjust like this, and put it on this side and move this one onto this side. Okay, like that. I think I'm going to move the kiwi onto this side and the raspberry on this side. The point is, you just need to create the motion from each frame one by one. And each clip, you just need to edit every element from the each clip like that. And now again, minimize the pic and duplicate the page. Go to the third page, then again adjust the size from each frame. Okay, and positioning it everything. Do it until you finish on the frame by frame. So for example, I'm adding 3 frames, so I will do it until I finish on to a 4 clip. This one, 1, 2, 3, and the last one is the raspberry. Okay, go to this side and change this one and put it on this side. Increase the size. Make sure it has the same size. Okay, decrease it. Okay, and put it on this side and this one in this side. Just like this. Now the next step, go to the first clip and click the clip like this and adjust the duration of the clip. For me, I would like to add this 3 seconds and apply to all page. Turn this on, go back, and now the next step, you just need to click this plus button on between from the 1 and 2 clip and open the transition. And now you just need to find this match and move transition, click it and open the window of the match and move and increase the speed of the animation. Then go back and don't forget to check apply between all page and finish. And this is the result that you will get from the editing. As you can see, the image have this motion, kind of like what do you think? It's shuffle motion or rotating motion, and that's the way how to create this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.